guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday to everyone. If you're not watching this video on Sunday, I hope your day is going great. I'm back with this week's CVS deals video and it's looking good. I did not get the CoverGirl mystery offer, but I included a deal in this video in case any account gets it. That way you can have an idea on what to do. The first deal I'll be sharing will be an all-digital deal. You don't even need any paper coupon for this. It will be on select Colgate toothpaste. They're on the deal of buy 2, get $4 back, and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 2 of the Optic White Stain Fighter toothpaste, priced at $5.19 each. The 2 items are going to come up to $10.38. And today we received 2 4-off 2 digital coupons that is attaching to these 2 items. That will drop it down to $2.38. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items free and a $1.62 moneymaker. Next day will be on Centrum. It's part of the buy 2 get $5 back and it's a limit of 1 per card. And they're also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $9.99. The second one is going to be $5. And these 2 items are going to come up to $14.99. Check your app because we have a $3 in our app. And this $3 coupon, I got this from coupons.com, is going to drop it down to $8.99 and you get $5 back, making both items $3.99 or $1.99 each. I checked my Ibotta, but I don't have any. Check yours because normally we have some rebates on Ibotta for this to even make it cheaper. Next deal is when you buy any Radius Big Kiss Forever toothbrush or brush head, the 2 counts, you get $2 back. Pick up the 2 counts of the brush head, priced at $6.49. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT or next purchase CRT, you can add this deal to the transaction. But you have to pay the $6.49 and get $2 back. Check your Ibotta because I have a 50 cents back, limit of 5. That will end up making this item just $3.99 only. Another good deal this week will be on Neutrogena Facial Care. It's part of the spend 20 get $8 back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Cleanser, priced at $6.99 each. And the 3 items are going to come up to $20.97. And the coupons I have here, the $2 coupons, I got this from coupons.com and we have one in our app as well that will apply to the third one. I have a 3 of 10 CRT for Neutrogena or Aveeno Facial Care. I got this one last week. I printed mine out. It's going to expire on the 7th, but I can use it within 2 days. And I also received another 3 of 10 Neutrogena Facial Care CRT. In my email, I got another $3 off Neutrogena CRT that I will use with this deal. With all the CRTs and the coupon, it's going to drop the total down to $5.97. Pay that and get $8 back, making all 3 items free and a $2.03 moneymaker. The next deal will be on spend 20 get $10 back, and Eucerin Lotion is part of this deal. Pick up 3 of the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion, priced at $7.99. That's the 5 ounces. The 3 items are going to come up to $23.97. In our 9/24 save, we have a $3 coupon you can use. And last week I have a 3 of 12 lotion CRT and I received another one today. Because I'm spending $23.97, that's within the 98% rule. That way I can use both CRTs. And the both CRTs, the total for them is $24. With the 2 CRTs and the 3 coupons, it's going to drop the total down to $8.97. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 3 items free and a $1.03 moneymaker. The next deal will be on spend 20, get $10 back on any Nivea body wash, 16.9 ounces to 20 ounces. I'm showing the men because it's cheaper, but if you need the women's, you can pick that up as well. But if you're doing the men's, it's priced at $6.79 at my store. Pick up 3, and the 3 of them are going to come up to $20.37. In our 9/24 savings set, there is a $3 off 2 Nivea body wash coupon you can use for this. And for the third item, we have a $1 in our app that will also apply to this. It's going to drop it down to $16.37. Pay that and get $10 back, making all three items $6.37 or $2.12 each. Buy 2 soft soap or Irish Spring body wash, the 20 ounces, you get $4 back, and this is the limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the soft soap priced at $6.59. You can do the Irish Spring or you can pick up this one, but these ones are priced a little cheaper at my store. These 2 items are going to come up to $13.18, and everyone received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop the total down to $10.18. Pay that and get $4 back, making these 2 items $6.18 or $3.09 each. The next deal will be on head and shoulder hair care. The ones I'm showing you is on sale for 2 for $12, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Be careful with this deal if your store is not tagged. As you're looking at mine, some of them are tagged, but this deal I'm sharing right now is not tagged. But it's between the 10.6 ounces to 13.5 ounces. Pick up 2. Check your app because we have a 3 off 2 coupon that is applying to this. If you don't have it, you can go to P&G website and print out a 3 off 2 coupon that will also apply to this. It's going to bring it down to 9. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal I have will be on Clairol hair color. It's on the deal of buy 2, get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $9.49 each, and they're going to total $18.98. Today in our app, we all received a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and I have this free hair color CRT that will also apply and take off $9 and drop the total down to $4.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items 98 cents or 49 cents each. I'll be sharing 2 ways to do the spend 20 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. You can't do it twice, you have to pick whichever one that works better for you. And the first way to do it is pick up the Charming Ultra Song 8 Mega Roll on sale for $10.99, and add a Bounty 4 Double Roll on sale for $10.99. These 2 items are going to come up to $21.98. You're way past the spend 20. We have a $1 coupon on the app for each one of them, but if you don't want to use that and you're able to print out, go to P&G website and print out a $3 for each item. It's going to drop it down to $15.98, and you get $5 back, making both items $10.98 or $5.49 each. The second way to do this is by picking up the Gain Fireworks on sale for $5.49, and you can go to P&G website and print out a $1 coupon that is going to apply to it. And add a Tide detergent, also on sale for $14.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon that you can use for this, or you can print one out from P&G website. These 2 items are going to come up to $20.48, and after using the 2 coupons I mentioned, it's going to drop it down to $16.48, and you get $5 back, and it's going to make both items just $11.48 or $5.74 each. The next deal will be on the spend 30 get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1, and the Scott Bar Tissue 12 rolls are included in this deal. Pick up 1 at $10.79, and we have a $1 digital coupon that we received today that is applying to this. Then add 2 of the Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll toilet papers on sale for $10.99, and we received a $2 coupon that will also apply to this. Total for these 3 items will be $32.77, and after the $2 for the Cottonelle and the $1 for the Scott digital coupons come off, it's going to drop it down to $29.77. Pay that and get $10 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopmium for $2 back on the second Cottonelle, and that will make all these 3 items $17.77 or $5.92 each. I mentioned in the beginning of this video that I did not get my CoverGirl mystery offer, but if you got yours and the value is $3, what you can do is pick up 2 of the Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79. Pick up one of the CoverGirl blush priced at $7.79. And these three items are going to come up to $19.37. And the coupons you're looking at here, I got this from the 10-1 saving set. Use 2 of the $3 coupon for the eye products and 1 for the face product. And if the value of the mystery offer you got is $3, it's going to drop it down to $7.37. Pay that and get $6 back. And that will make all 3 items just $1.37 or 46 cents each. Item is not giving back any extra care box, but the Air Wick starter kit is on sale for $11.99, and we have a $6 digital coupon that will drop it down to just $5.99. And the next item is not giving back any extra care box, but is the Air Wick scented oil 2 count. It's on sale for $5.99, and we have a BOGO coupon in our app that will make you pay just $5.99 for both, or $3 each. And this concludes my video today, and I want to say thank you all for watching, and thank you all for all the support and the comments you leave. I just want to say that I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.